This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Wait-o. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part. Automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different?
PowerEgg is more than just a fishing drone. It's a powerful underwater photography and video platform. PowerEgg is an intelligent underwater robot designed to let you see the world as never before. Explore under the waves before you jump into the water. PowerEgg can dive down to 98 feet and has 3 operational modes for beginners, experienced pilots, and professionals. For underwater photography, use PowerEgg's powerful 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle lens. It can record video in real time at 4K 25 frames per second, while the unique LED lighting illuminates the water. Export the photos and videos to your computer. If you are an explorer who loves traveling and sharing your memories, PowerEgg's real-time streaming in 1080p allows you to share your stunning moments to Facebook, WeChat, and Instagram. PowerEgg's Power Seeker can be used as a standalone device. Just switch your app to fish finding mode. Power Seeker will alert you when there's a group of fish helping you catch them like a pro. Get detailed information on where the fish are, the depth of the water, and real-time battery life. PowerEgg visualizes your fishing experience. Even if you aren't an experienced fisherman, PowerEgg and Power Seeker can take you to the next level. PowerEgg's VR goggles offer real-time immersive fishing experience for you, or with your friends at the same time. Give someone else control as you can switch between controlling PowerEgg or just observing to enjoy the freedom of swimming underwater without jumping in. The gesture-based VR goggle offers you hands-free control and provides you a stunning FPV underwater experience. In addition, you can utilize PowerEgg for underwater exploration and ice fishing. Put the controller in your hand and discover what else PowerEgg can do.
And now we're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone with the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. Introducing Dory. We successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. Depth lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want, so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. With screen sharing, live streaming, and co-pilot, friends and family can watch or help control your dive in real time on multiple wireless devices. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet, and with two built-in 250 lumen lights, the high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase.